So guys, here the hacker boy Ayub Sheikh. Today I will show you how to change your Android's version without updating it. So it's a trick. I'll show you my currently Android version is 5.1 Lollipop, and I'll change it to Noga, not Noga, Pancake, which is the latest Android version 8.0. So as you can see, my Android version is 5.1. So guys, first of all, your phone must be rooted. So please root it first, and you should have root browser. You have to go in the system folder, later build.prop. This is the file which carries the system information. So here you can see all scripting. In between you can see here 5.1 written here. You can change it to 8.0. I've changed that. One more, you will find it here. I'm changing it 5.1, 8.0, and one more I will find it below. So 5.1, second, where it gone, man? Yeah, here you can see this one. I'll change it to 8.0. Now I'll save this file. So this file is successfully saved. Now just reboot your device. Please be sure that you do not soft reboot your device. You completely restart your device. If you just soft reboot, you will not see the changes. So I am trying to reboot, so the video playback is just. So guys, I have just restarted my phone, and I'll show you what's my current Android version after renaming that file, renaming in between that file. So here you can see this Android version is 8.0. You can't update it. This is my phone is currently, you can see this is Micromax Q385, Micromax Canvas Spark 3, which is not having that update. So it's usually the trick. You can't update it to the Pancake. I have just done this with only the file editing. So thank you guys. Please subscribe. Please like and subscribe my videos. I'll give you more hacking videos. Okay.